Alright, I don't know about you guys, but still I am in the mood of Samadhi and Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Still I have not come out of Nirvilpa Samadhi and especially Arunagiri Yogeshwara. How many of you literally lived that whole thing when I narrated? I know. I know just that brain mirrors. How many of you are still there in that kick? Actually, today I wanted to work on perpetual completion. Understand? Perpetual completion means ability to sit in the completion continuously without tiredness, boredom, without any incompletion able to move you. Without tiredness, boredom, without any incompletion able to move you. It is like a sit. Whenever incompletions comes up, relive and drop the incompletion. Again, just sit. The space of completion. It will almost look like the initial level, the person who has a diarrhea, how he runs to the restroom and comes back. And in next 5 minutes again he runs to the restroom and comes back. Again he runs to the restroom and comes back. In the initial it will look like that only. But in few minutes it will settle down. It may look like a wrong analogy. You can sit with open eyes or closed eyes. But you can't engage yourself in unconscious slumber, means sleeping. You can't engage yourself in just getting lost in the flow of thoughts. No. You will only sit in the space of complete completion. I am going to be here continuously encouraging you and guiding you. Listen. Listen to the instruction. You don't need to keep your eyes closed or eyes open. It's up to you. You want to keep your eyes open, keep it open. If you want to keep your eyes closed, keep it closed. It's up to you. But no thought current inside. You will sit in the space of completion. Any thought comes up is an incompletion. Then see the source. Why that thought? Feeling agitated, feeling irritated, feeling tired, feeling bored. Why that thought? See the source. When you started developing the same thought trend, relive, complete, relieve, come back to completion. How many of you understand the process? Shall we start? Yes. It will not be difficult, I tell you. Very easy it will be. Only first 10 thought you have to do completion, and then after that it is just a simple decision, you will be in the space of completion. That is all. Permanent pain is nothing but every individual separate thoughts continuously coming. There is no permanent, continuous. Broken leg, every thought. I have had a hand fracture. Every thought of pain is continuous, not permanent. You can look in what mind says pain, from where that thought trend of pain is developing, how I am developing, look in. When you started developing, just see that thought trend and complete, relive. You will see it disappears. So thought will crash the thought and you will be thoughtless. Understand? Completion is also one thought which completes the incompletion. You will be in the space of completion. I tell you, you can complete even with the life incidences happening. For example, if you are continuously abused, decide I am completing with this pattern. You will see suddenly, you will stop attracting the people who are abusing you. Your life incidents can be completed. What you are talking about, small pains. Yes. I think going through a little bit inside and reliving will help you. No, That hatred to go in is one more pattern. Yes. You can use anything you want. Just come back to completion. That's all. You can. Everything in this session I am trying to teach you is completion. Is your simple decision.
What if we're like not thinking about anything, but all of a sudden our favorite movie comes up in our head?
That is incompletion. That is what I am telling. Run to the bathroom immediately. Take a diarrhea patient. Complete, drop, and come to the space of completion. Actually, I am teaching you to live in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Perpetually living in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Perpetually living in the space of Advaita. Perpetually living in the space of completion. That's what I am teaching you guys now. Especially after this morning, today's initiation, you will see I am sitting here and I'll make you guys live in the perpetual completion. Even that is one more incompletion. Go into it, the self-doubt. See, all these days we pulled out many incompletions from inside and completed. Today, we are just looking, whoever comes to fight with you, you are going to fight with them. That's all. We don't call for Mahabharat war. Whoever comes on the way to fight with you, finish them. No, every thought is a powerlessness. Shall we start?
Yes.
You don't need to close your eyes or tie the ribbon. Just sit. If you want to close your eyes, you can close. If you want, you can pick up your mirror. Let's start. I bless you all to achieve complete completion.